This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. And this is a brand new 2025 Peterbilt 589. It's in brilliant blue. It's 228-inch wheelbase, 13,200 pound capacity steer axle, 110 gallon right hand fuel tank, dual sided cab exhaust, chromed elbows, 7-inch diameter pipes. It's riding around on some 11R 24.5s, 40,000 pound rear suspension, low air leaf. It has drum brakes all the way around, locking differentials. The Jost JSK 37 no tilt convertible fifth wheel. Got a 70 gallon tank here on the left hand side, polished def tank cover. Your stainless visor with 2 roof mounted air horns, Texas style front bumper. Let's take a look under the hood. Here we've got our powerful, quiet, fuel-efficient PACCAR MX-13. This one is 510 horsepower with 1,850 foot-pounds of torque. Has a 12-speed automated transmission. Battery jump start studs underneath the hood here. Inside you've got the beautiful interior. She's got carpet in it, air ride Maduro seats, cup holder on the floor, mat pocket on the rear wall, switches, Cobra CB radio mounted in the header. It's a beautiful truck. Give me a call at 706-372-4698 and let's put you in this.